Okay, so today I'm going to teach you how to make this varsity patch with the glitter background font for stickers or for bulletin boards or whatever you want to use it for. Alright, so first thing I did is I went to defont.com and then I typed in collegiate, and there are all these different fonts. I downloaded and installed them. Then I opened up next I went to go find my gold glitter background because we're going to need to fill one of our fonts with gold glitter so that we can get this effect of the patch. Okay, so then I saved my gold glitter, I downloaded my fonts, then I opened up PowerPoint. And in PowerPoint, I'm going to open up a new text box, okay? You can kind of see over here some of my different things that I've done. I do a different sticker on every single slide. I don't know if I should or shouldn't. That's just the way that I do it. Okay, so I'm going to type in teach. Now that's really small and it's in a different font, so I'm going to highlight it. I'm going to pump it up. I usually do about like in the 90s. 96 looks good. And then I go and I find collegiate. Okay. So I'm going to actually make 2 copies of this teach, and the first one I'm going to do is collegiate inside. So whenever you download collegiate from Defont, you're going to have like 4 or 5 different options. I download all of them. Okay, so download all of them. So I'm going to do collegiate inside, and it's going to change it to look like that. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the box so that it highlights it all, and then I'm going to push Command C and then Command V to make another copy. So now I have 2 copies of the exact same thing. Then I'm going to highlight this and I'm going to change this font to collegiate. Let's see here. It's going to be collegiate outline. Here we go. And that's what it's going to look like. Okay. So this is basically the inside of my, I'll show you right here. This is going to be the inside. And then my outline, I'm going to fill it with my gold glitter. Remember, we saved our gold glitter. So I'm going to highlight this, and I'm going to go to Shape, Format, and then over here where it says Outline, Text Fill. Text Fill is what I'm going for. And then I'm going to go grab Picture. Okay, so one more time. I highlight this, I go to Text Fill, and then I click on Picture, and then I'm going to find my gold glitter, okay, and I'm going to double click, and there it has filled it, okay, and I can just move it up, and there it is right there. And how I save it is I push Command A, and so that highlights everything, and then I click Save as Picture, the right click or 2-finger click to do that. Now, if you wanted this to be different colors, let me grab it and move, so I just separated it again. If you wanted it to be different colors, then you just highlight one letter at a time. Okay, so let's say I wanted this one to be purple, and this one, this one I want to be pink, and this one I want to be yellow, and so on. And I'm just picking colors that I've recently used. You can pick any colors you want, but these just kind of make it look a little more bright. Let's see here, let's do a darker blue. And then you can just bring this down again. And there you go. Easy as that. I hope you enjoyed it.